This is really cute. Good morning. It's like the second day. We're here in Hong Kong. What time is it? It's like 9:44 or something. But yeah, the first day we just did a bunch of shopping and walked around. It was so pretty. Also, hold on. You in our hotel, isn't it so pretty? OMG. So stunning. But yeah, today, well, at least this morning, because I don't know what we're doing today, but this morning we're gonna go on a hike and then check out the pretty nature in Hong Kong, like the beaches and waterfalls. And yeah, so fun and exciting. See you then.
You would do it.
Okay.
You would do it.
You'd be like,
You would do it. It's like a streamer or a supplement, you know?
we just got back from the waterfall area. Wait, look. It's a ring. Is it a plastic ring? I don't know. Oh. Whatever.
Anyway, we just got back from the waterfall area. It was so pretty. However, I kept on slipping
and it was so embarrassing. I have like a bunch of cuts and bruises now. Lol. But we're at the beach now, and it's so pretty. It's so clean too. So we're just gonna chill here for a bit and then take a ferry back to the main area, I think, and then have some dinner. But yeah, so fun, so amazing, so fantastic. Oh my gosh, cows! Wait, foxes? Can I see? Hold on. The man just sitting is killing me. He looks stunning. So crisp, and then like you would like glare on me and be like today, like it was like and yeah, it's a Greek like oh yeah. So he was like perfect.
We did her birthday here once. Really? Last year.
I'm back from Hong Kong and it's been a couple weeks now, but I just wanted to quickly end the video by doing a little haul. I didn't get much in Hong Kong, but we also went to the Philippines and Boston around the same time just to visit family and help my sister move into college. So yeah, I am just gonna do a general haul of stuff that I got from all three of those places. So the first things that I got were a bunch of figures. I got a lot of Smiskys and a lot of Pop Mart figures, mainly Skull Panda and Hirono, but they're all so cute. This one's definitely my favorite out of all of them. This is just so stunning and gorgeous. And this is probably my favorite Smisky I got, the one with the little cat. But yeah, so cute. I love little trinkets and figures. And I also got some clothes, mostly cardigans. I got a couple cardigans from Hong Kong. I got this cute oversized green sweater, which is super comfy. I love wearing that. And then I got this simple white cardigan as well from Hong Kong. I wear this literally every other day because it matches so well with any outfit, and I love the detailing on it. It's just amazing and perfect. And the final cardigan I got was from Boston in Brandy Melville. It's this super cute pastel pink one. I saw this cardigan and I immediately thought a shoujo main character would wear this. It's just so cute and I want to channel that energy. So, super cute pastel cutesy top. I see a bunch of stuff like this paired with a white mini dress that's kind of like a baby doll fit with spaghetti straps. I've been looking for that for literally forever. I've checked all the stores near me and I just can't find it. So if you know what I'm talking about and you know where to get it, please let me know. You would literally save my life. That'd be so amazing. I'd really appreciate it. I also got a pair of jeans from Cotton On. This is from the Philippines. I love buying pants in Asia because it's usually more to my size, because in the US the pants here are a little too big for me. But yeah, I also got some miscellaneous stuff. I got this cute tote bag from my aunt. It's a cat tote bag with a ball of yarn. And I think this will be so cute if I'm going yarn shopping or something. And I got false lashes. They were in a cuter packaging, but I threw it away. Those are nice because they're a little bit more wispy and casual compared to the more dramatic ones I have. And then I got this cute hair clip from a mall in Hong Kong and this cute golden ring from a vintage shop in Hong Kong. And finally, I got this book from Boston. This is Fourth Wing by Rebecca Yarros. I know the plot of this already because I am an avid watcher of Stephanie Sue. I love her videos and I watch them all the time, but I watched both of her BAMs on this book and I really liked it. So I just bought it now. I'm a couple pages in. I've been in a fantasy romantasy phase recently, so I've been loving those types of books and stuff because I wanted to get into more romance books because I had Love in Other Words on my TBR, but for some reason I was just craving fantasy and romantasy. But yeah, anyway, that's enough of me rambling. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.